Hi guys, in this video we quickly show you how you can notify the right department depending on the statuses on your inventory. Okay, so let's deep dive and see how to set this up. On my Airtable account, I have a base in which I have two tables. One is called status, in which I have the statuses, okay, that are related, that for each status I have an action that needs to be taken. So low stock, I need to restock urgently, and a department that needs to be notified, the warehouse. In another table, items, I linked the status table so that I have all my items, item ID and item name, and I can link the statuses to that item. So for instance, here, okay, let's say it's only low stock and it's also a new arrival, so I can choose the new arrival. Here I can also put discontinued. Okay, so it recalls all the statuses that you have in the other table and links the action that needs to be taken and the department that needs to be notified. Okay, so if we go back on our table, I have my Airtable on Make, sorry. I have my Airtable module that is linked to my account, is linked to the correct base and the correct table because I want to retrieve these informations. Okay, I can limit the number of items. I only have 4 items for this example, so 10 it's enough. This one is the trigger. I can set it that every day at 8 a.m. it triggers and it sends an email. So imagine you have to update your inventory during the day, and you know that the next day at 8 a.m. it will send an email to all the right departments. Okay, let's see if I run this module only. As you can see, I have 4 different bundles, okay, in which I have the statuses and the departments that need to be notified per bundle. Okay, but what we want to do, we want to send an email, a different email to each department. Okay, so I want to separate these emails. So I want to iterate on these bundles in order to be able to send 8 emails, because I actually have 8 different statuses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, actually 9 statuses. So I need to send 9 emails. So here is when the iterator comes into the game with its power. So I can iterate on the notify email. So it basically will generate me 4 operations, okay? And for each operation, I will have the email per bundle. So 1 email per bundle, what will allow me then to send the 9 emails. So let's see if I'm right. If I run everything, okay, here you can see it's running. Here we stop at 4, and here we stop at 9. So let's see the output. As I said, here I have 1 bundle with an array of 2 emails. What I want is an output with 2 bundles and an email per bundle. Okay, so now it's when it becomes easier. So in this markdown module, it's just to convert this text to HTML so that it will look nice in your email. So I can then personalize it with these variables. So the item name, action needed for this item, this is the status, and this is what needs to be done. And in my Gmail module, I have the email address, so the value, okay? This is the value because it takes it from the iterator module. And then I have, hey, I mean, you can put whatever you want, action to be taken, and the item name, and here I recall the HTML. Okay, so just for you to have an understanding, this is the input of my message, and this is the output in an HTML format. And here I have the 9 emails that have been generated. So 2 warehouse, this is the content in HTML. So if I go on my Gmail account in sent, I should see, hey, news for this item. This was the previous one. So if I refresh, news for this item, and here I have to attach. Hey, news for this item, iPhone 14 Pro. So here I have all the emails that have been correctly generated. Okay, so I hope it was useful for you. If you have any questions about the iterator, feel free to ask, and enjoy your automations and your bases. Bye.